APN, or access point name, is the gateway that connects your phone to the internet and enables MMS. Think of it as a bridge between your mobile device and the carrier's network for data and multimedia messaging. This diagram shows how APN connects various network components like DNS, GGSN, and firewalls to route your data securely. Q-Link Wireless is a prepaid mobile virtual network operator operating on T-Mobile's network. It covers most of the United States, providing affordable service to low-income households. As an MVNO, it often requires manual APN configuration to ensure data and MMS work properly. Without the correct APN configuration, you may experience no internet connectivity or problems sending MMS messages, even with an active SIM card. As of December 2025, the standard APN for Q-Link is Q-Link. The MMSC is htwholesale.msmvno.com//WAPNC. The MMS proxy is 2116.155.165.50 and the MMS port is 8A80. The APN type should be set to default MMS SUPL. The MCC is 310 for the USA and the MNC is 240, which is T-Mobile's code. Ensure these values are correctly entered for optimal performance. To configure APN on Android for Q-Link Wireless, start by opening your Settings app. Navigate to Network and Internet, then Mobile Network, Advanced, and finally Access Point Names. Tap the plus icon to add a new APN profile. Enter the following details: name as Q-Link, APN as Q-Link, and fill in the MMS settings, country codes, and APN type as shown. Save the new APN and make sure to select it as your default connection. Finally, restart your Android device to ensure the APN settings take effect. On iPhone, navigate to Settings, Cellular, Cellular Data Network. Under Cellular Data, enter Q-Link as the APN. Then under MMS, input the APN again, along with the MMSC, MMS proxy, MMS max message size, and UAPROF URL. Save and restart your iPhone. If you encounter data or MMS issues with Q-Link Wireless, start by toggling airplane mode to refresh your connection. For Android devices, navigate to Settings and verify that all APN fields match Q-Link's exact specifications. On iPhone, check for carrier settings updates in Settings under General and About to ensure you have the latest configuration. If MMS messages fail, enable group messaging in the Messages settings to allow multimedia content. If these steps don't resolve the issue, contact Q-Link Wireless support for personalized assistance. Q-Link Wireless has made several important updates in 2024-2025 to improve service and user experience. They clarified APN settings on their website to address issues from T-Mobile's network expansions. They've also added eSIM compatibility notes specifically for newer iPhone models. Network coverage has expanded to reach 99% of the U.S. population through T-Mobile's network upgrades. However, 5G is not yet fully supported on Q-Link plans as of 2025. These recent updates from Q-Link Wireless are designed to improve service reliability and user experience. Looking ahead, Q-Link Wireless has embraced modern technology trends. In 2025, they began supporting eSIM on compatible devices, which simplifies APN setup by eliminating the need for physical SIM cards. This eSIM technology streamlines the activation process, as shown in this process flow diagram. It reduces setup complexity and aligns with industry shifts toward embedded SIMs. Looking to the future, Q-Link plans may introduce 5G APN variants for premium plans, enhancing data speeds and connectivity. This 5G network architecture diagram illustrates how small cells and macro towers work together to provide coverage, which could benefit Q-Link's future 5G offerings. Industry trends indicate a move toward dynamic APN settings with automatic updates via carrier apps, reducing manual configuration and improving user experience. Real-world examples show the impact of APN configuration on users. A 2024 study demonstrated that video tutorials significantly improved success rates for elderly users setting up Q-Link Wireless. Telecom experts emphasize that community-driven guides and tutorials are particularly valuable for MVNOs like Q-Link Wireless, helping users overcome configuration challenges. Remember to always consult official Q-Link Wireless sources for the latest APN settings, as carrier updates and network changes can occur at any time.